Hey everyone, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to sync V's code settings in 2026. Setting Sync can help keep your preferences consistent across multiple computers by synchronizing supported settings and other configuration data. So let's get started. First, open V's Code and look for the Accounts or Settings Sync option. You'll need to sign in with a supported account before synchronization can be enabled. After signing in, open the Settings Sync controls and turn synchronization on. V's Code may allow you to choose which types of information you want to sync. Depending on the current version, this can include settings, keyboard shortcuts, extensions, user interface preferences, and other supported configuration items. Once synchronization is active, V's Code can upload your selected preferences to your account. You can then sign in on another computer and enable Settings Sync there. After signing in on the second device, V's Code can download your synchronized configuration. Give it some time to finish, especially if you have many extensions or settings. Check your settings and extensions after the sync completes. Some extensions may have additional requirements or behave differently depending on the operating system. If you don't want a particular type of information synchronized, review the available sync options and disable that category when possible. You can also use the sync activity or account controls to understand whether information is currently being uploaded or downloaded. If synchronization stops working, check your internet connection and make sure you're signed in to the correct account. Signing into different accounts on different computers can definitely cause confusion. Remember that Settings Sync isn't the same as backing up your projects. Your actual code and project files should still be managed separately using Git or another backup method, and that's how to sync V's Code settings. Sign in, enable synchronization, choose what you want to share, and then connect your other devices. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next